Hey everyone, Aaron here from Ariens, and today I'm going to show you how to change the engine air filter on your Ariens APEX zero-turn mower. Now just keep in mind, not all Ariens APEX engines are the same, meaning they'll have slightly different air filters. Today's example is going to be on an Ariens APEX with a Kawasaki engine. But before we begin, let's just have a look at the safety section of our operator's manual, as well as the content in our engine manual to familiarize ourselves with safe practices, as well as more information on your engine air filter. On the back of your engine is an air filter cover. On the models with Kawasaki engines, gently lift the two tabs that say "Lift Here" to access the filter. Find the hose clamp secured around the top of the air hose and loosen it until it's disengaged from the two bumps in the hose. With the clamp out of the way, gently pull the air hose out of position while wiggling the air filter out of the air hose. This hose is somewhat flexible, but just be gentle as you're maneuvering it. Visually inspect the filter. If it's clean, there's no need to replace it, but if it's soiled or clogged with debris, it will need to be changed. If you mow more frequently and in drier and dustier conditions, you'll need to replace your air filter more often. Discard the soiled filter and install a new air filter into the hose. Once the filter is completely engaged in the hose, reposition the clamp between the two guides and tighten the hose clamp. Double check that the air filter is secured correctly and close the filter cover. And though this procedure was pretty easy, if you'd rather leave this to the professionals, you can always reach out to your nearest Ariens dealer at ariens.com/dealers for help. If you like this video and want to see more helpful content from Ariens, click on the Ariens logo in the lower right corner of the video to subscribe to our YouTube channel.